Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Cambodia. The link and coupon will be in the description. And let's go. Alright, open description and click on link Voyafly eSIM and open this website voyafly.com. Click on this and write come. Alright, and click on this and open new page and choose data type unlimited or fixed. And choose a speed plan light plus premium and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Alright, and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. This very good. Order discount ROAM tips $30 and click on Google Pay or write contact, payment and write billing address and click on buy now and buy a SIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.